Hey there, you know how fascinating AI-driven web applications are these days, right? It's incredible how they bring so much value to industries. Through intelligence and personalization, they've practically become essential. And here's a nifty project we can sink our teeth into, constructing one ourselves using Python and Flask. So let's dive deep into the world of web app creation with AI and Flask. Imagine walking into your own little internet powerhouse, where you decide what gets calculated based on what you throw into this digital crystal ball. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Our mission? To build this AI web app that lets users predict something cool using their data. Let's walk through this adventure, step by step. First, we've got this toolbox we are using, and Flask. Flask is like the Swiss Army knife for Python. It's light, flexible, and lets us spin up web servers like it's nothing, and we'll be running our server right here, of course. I'll guide you on how to lay out your server, configure it to handle requests and return web pages to you. Now to bring our magic into existence. We're about to meet this magnificent machine learning model. It's like a brain, tutored and ready to pump out predictions on the spot, fed by user data right from the front end, where users chill on a simple, yet functional input screen. Here's where it gets interesting. Our application has three major components, and they've got interdependencies that I'll break down the importance for you. The Flask web server acts as the traffic cop for client requests, routing them appropriately and ensuring your browser and machine play nice together. It also pulls in the cool HTML templates. These are the digital clothes we need to dress our application. Then comes the machine learning model. It's not just any ordinary model, it's like this smart, wisecracking oracle that spits out predictions after munching on some input data. We are going to integrate it with our Flask app, and it'll process data submissions directly from users. And that's not all. We've got our user-friendly front-end interface, which is where the user submits their data. It's simple and snug, making the whole experience pleasant and seamless. It's one thing to build it once, but we ought to be wise about it. This app, it needs more eyes and hands, so we'll put some version control magic in place. And don't even think about stale code without some continuous integration and delivery wizardry, keeping the app fresh and bug-free over time. We'll also discuss best practices, like data privacy, ensuring users that their little secrets are safe with us. Now, deployment is the final frontier. We've got to get our baby on a server for the world to see and use. We'll look at a few ways to host our creation, discuss a bit of prerequisites and setup, and ensure we are all set before we let this beauty loose in the wild web. Phew! That's a lot of chatter about constructing our unique web app. But here's how I picture things playing out: a clean, efficient Python script running its Flask-fueled magic to juggle HTTP requests, a machine learning model sitting snug between Python scripts and Flask routes, churning out predictions with the click of a button. All the user interactions are happening through a sleek, responsive front-end, where they provide input without batting an eyelid. It's a dance of code and design, all centered around making this AI web application a fun, practical tool for users. I can already feel that rush of excitement, don't you? By the time we are done, our little web application will stand resilient as a true product of our skills. Imagine the smiles and astonishment of the users, their curiosity piqued and their needs met with the wonders of predictive AI, all powered by Python and Flask. You are basically set to be the mastermind that brings an innovative AI web app to life. Okay. Time to wrap it up, and before you go, remember that Neeraj's got a gem of a resource, TechLab, where all this techie stuff is a playground. So why not pay a visit to neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab? That way, I can see your project once you are done, or share this guide so the world can enjoy the fruits of your newfound web app creation prowess. Thanks for listening. Now let's get to the building party. Remember, you are in this for a fulfilling journey. Happy coding!